Today, point clouds are widely used for the representation of 3D models and digital twins in all kinds of projects. They are obtained from fixed or SLAM scanners, drones with cameras, or LiDAR sensors, and even mobile phones. They can also be downloaded as free geospatial data provided by government agencies. That is why Aplitop has developed TCP Point Cloud Editor, a powerful application that allows you to work with all types of point clouds. Files can be imported in the most common formats on the market. Points can have attributes of color, intensity, time, category, returns, etc., and be represented based on these properties. If images have been captured during the scan, they can also be viewed in 360 degrees, along with their trajectory. On the point cloud, 2D distances, 3D distances, and areas are easily measured. Plan and elevation sections are quickly created, which are used directly in our favorite applications. Automatic or assisted vectorization is also possible. TCP Point Cloud Editor has drawing and editing tools on the point cloud, with direct exchange with CAD and even real-time synchronization. Projects can be published to the cloud and explored with a web viewer from any device. If you need to clean up the point cloud, multiple graphic, geometric, and attribute selection options are available. Other tools allow you to modify the classification by categories, determine the points that belong to the terrain, etc. With these points, triangulation, meshes, and contour lines can be created. Models are analyzed by elevations, slopes, orientations, and shading. They can also be compared with others to calculate cut and fill volumes. In short, TCP Point Cloud Editor is a powerful software developed by Aplitop to manage point clouds in all types of architecture, engineering, and construction projects.